Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to download and set up FFmpeg on Windows 11. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type FFmpeg and press enter. Look for the official website link that says Download FFmpeg and click it. On the download page, find the section for Windows builds. There are usually two sources to choose from. I will pick the second option here. Click on it and then look for the zip file download. Select it and the download will begin automatically. Once the file has finished downloading, open your Downloads folder. You will see the zip file there. Right-click on it and choose Extract. I will extract it to the same Downloads folder. Wait for the process to finish. After extraction, open the new folder. Inside, you will see more folders named Bin and Doc. The bin folder is the important one because it contains the FFmpeg executable files. Now, select the entire extracted FFmpeg folder. Copy it. Go to your C drive, right-click in an empty space, and choose New Folder. Name it FFmpeg and press Enter. Open this new folder and paste your copied files here. If a prompt appears asking for permission, choose Continue. The next step is to set the system path so FFmpeg can be run from anywhere. Press the Windows key and search for Edit System Environment Variables. Click it. In the System Properties window, click Environment Variables. In the Environment Variables window, find the path variable under System Variables. Highlight it and click Edit. Click New, then go back to the C drive, open the FFmpeg folder, then open Bin. Copy the path from the address bar. Paste it into the new line and click OK on all windows to save. Finally, let's confirm it works. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and right-click to run as administrator. In the command prompt, type FFmpeg, version, and press Enter. If you see version details, it means FFmpeg is installed successfully. That is all for setting up FFmpeg on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.